Cloves and cinnamon, the super spices you need in your life. Imagine waking up every day feeling more energized, free from inflammation, and with a metabolism that burns fat effortlessly. What if I told you that 2 simple kitchen spices, cloves and cinnamon, hold the key to unlocking these incredible benefits? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at these species the same way again. Now, let's dive into why cloves and cinnamon are must-haves in your daily routine. Section 1. Cloves, the powerhouse spice. Cloves might be small, but their health benefits are massive. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, this spice is packed with antioxidants, essential oils, and powerful compounds that can boost your health naturally. Fights inflammation and pain relief. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural painkiller and anti-inflammatory agent. Studies show that it can help with toothaches, sore throats, and even arthritis pain, boost digestion and gut health. Feeling bloated or dealing with digestive discomfort? Cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, helping to reduce gas, bloating, and indigestion. Improves immunity and fights infection. Cloves are naturally antibacterial and antifungal, meaning they help fight infections and strengthen your immune system. Regulates blood sugar. Studies suggest that cloves can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a great addition for people managing diabetes. How to use cloves. Add a few whole cloves to your tea or coffee. Chew on a clove to refresh breath and support oral health. Mix clove powder with honey for a natural sore throat remedy. Section 2. Cinnamon, the metabolism booster. Cinnamon isn't just a tasty spice, it's a health powerhouse. Here's why you should be adding it to your daily routine. Regulates blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon contains compounds that help lower blood sugar levels and enhance insulin function, reducing the risk of diabetes. Boosts brain function and memory. Studies show that cinnamon can improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Cinnamon has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help with arthritis, muscle soreness, and overall body pain. Supports heart health. It helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improves circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease, AIDS, weight loss, and metabolism. Cinnamon boosts metabolism and reduces cravings, making it a great tool for weight loss. How to use cinnamon. Sprinkle cinnamon powder on oatmeal, yogurt, or coffee. Make cinnamon tea by steeping cinnamon sticks in hot water. Add a pinch of cinnamon to smoothies for extra health benefits. Both cloves and cinnamon are powerful natural remedies that can transform your health when used regularly. Whether you want to boost digestion, fight inflammation, balance blood sugar, or enhance brain function, these 2 spices are a must-have. Which spice do you use more, cloves or cinnamon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and check out our next video.